Hey, I'm Ben with Lumon, and this is our LGR system on top of a railing. So very simply, you start by pulling the handle up, and that's gonna open it. You're gonna pivot the system, and then you're gonna slide the next panel into the door. Take that door, swing it open, and you're gonna do this with every panel until you have a fully open space. So now you'll see we have thought of every detail. You can latch this in place so that come the wind, with the doors open, you want the breeze to come into your patio. You can still leave the doors open safely. They're not going to blow around. They're going to stay in place. To close it, you're going to put it away, and you're going to do the exact opposite. You're going to push it till it stops, and then do the same. Push it till it stops. And again, till it stops, across, until it stops. The system's robust. You don't need to be gentle with it. You can slam it around a little bit. It's not gonna break. Your door, you simply push closed. It has a lock included, and when it's locked, you'll see it's going to prevent people from being able to break in. You swing the door open, simply pull the handle down, and pivot the door. Just like the other systems, you're going to pull it in till it stops and pivot it open. You can do this with the whole system. You can have up to 12 panels that will all open to one side. You could split it. You could have 24 panels with 12 going each direction, or however many you want. So you'll see we also have different door handle options. Not every place needs to have access from the outside. This is going to be an interior access only door handle to pivot it open if, for example, there's a railing on the outside, or you simply don't want people to be able to get in without being inside already. So you'll see that Lumon's walls are extremely durable. There's nothing to worry about. They slide well, they'll smash up against each other, nothing's gonna break. You can do this with every panel. It's not gonna break. You don't need to be gentle. You just need to close it. The walls are extremely robust. They're windproof. You can really shake them. Nothing's gonna happen. It's not gonna break. It's gonna last in a storm. It's gonna last if there's hail. It's gonna last in a heavy windstorm. The walls are gonna last. They're gonna keep your weather outside, and they're gonna help you with extending your patio season. So Lumon's walls also come with a few other capabilities, such as the ability for this door to lock in place, allowing you to slide panels across and give yourself just a slight breeze instead of a full opening. You want just a little bit of wind flow. It's a little bit warm in your room. Open it up a little bit. When you're done, you can close it. Just slide them again and close the doors. You can obviously leave the panels anywhere you want. You can have that door fully opened, split the panels, have one panel open, two panels open, whatever you want. No matter where the panels are, they're going to remain strong, they're not going to break, they're not going to blow away, and they're never going to fall out. As opposed to going with the Lumon glass that pivots into your balcony all the time, a lot of people will find it appealing to find something that's just going to slide along a fixed track and still give you a very open space. Lumon's sliding wall will do exactly that. It's going to give you the same coverage and the same ceiling while allowing you also to lock it. And it's going to let you nearly fully retract it, the same as the other wall. You can have up to 5 panels in one direction, meaning you can go up to 10 panels and up to 30 feet.